So welcome students to this lecture of digital electronics. Just to recall, in the last lecture we had discussed different laws of Boolean algebra, and I think we have covered all the laws that are required, to reduce or simplify a given digital or given expression, and just implementing that simplified expression with help of gates. Now that simplified expression can be implemented with help of basic gates or universal gates. Okay, so here we'll try to solve few examples, and you will understand that how these laws can be used. Okay, I already have solved two examples just before learning the AND laws and the OR laws. I have solved the examples of how this reduction can be. Okay, so in today's lecture again we are going to see the simplification or reduction, right? This can also be called as minimization of Boolean equation by using different Boolean laws. Now we'll actually see where and when these laws and how these laws can be used, right? So without going into much theory, let us try to solve these examples. Okay, so the very first I have this y equal to this equation a b bar in bracket c plus bd plus a bar b bar, and this is whole multiplied with c. Now here if you see this equation, we have four variables a b c d. These four variables we have. Okay, here also we can use this rule. So we have to go for first bracket solving, right? So the internal bracket we'll try to solve first, this one. So I'll just with help of that distributive law I can say. So this y equal to a b bar c plus a b bar b d. Okay, this is plus a bar b bar c, right? I will just simply solve this bracket. Now according to the ANDing laws, when the variable itself is ANDed with its complement, its output is 0, right? So this becomes y. So I'll say according to AND law, b bar is 0, right? So this term completely becomes 0. So I can write a b bar c plus 0 plus a bar b bar c. Okay, so I can this again write down this term as a b bar c plus a bar b bar this c. Now if I try to again use distributive law, bracket solving, so this becomes a b bar c into c plus a bar b bar c, right? Now again according to ANDing laws, a into a, since a dot a equal to a, this we have seen for the ANDing laws. So this becomes a b bar c plus a bar b bar c, right? Now here if you see a b bar c and a bar b bar c, so this term we can take as common, right? So I can say b bar c in bracket a plus a bar. Okay, now again according to OR laws, since a plus a bar is equal to 1, my equation becomes b bar c. right? So my final answer is y equal to b bar c. I have actually reduced this equation to just two variables. Okay, and if I am to implement, now these are ANDed, b bar and c are ANDed with each other, so I'll need one AND gate here. Okay, so here, since it is b bar, this is b and this is c, so this is y. Okay, just see here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, almost 8 to 10 gates, where I have just reduced that to a single gate. Not two gates we are using here, one AND gate and one NOT gate, right? So here I have just used different laws of Boolean algebra: the distributive law, associative law, ANDing laws, ORing laws. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. All right, let us try to solve this next example. In the next example, the equation given is y equal to a plus b whole bar plus c bar whole bar. Okay, now if you just refer to this equation, we can use De Morgan's theorem, right? Because this equation a plus b whole bar, okay, is one De Morgan's theorem, if you just remember or if you just recall. So I'll write using De Morgan's theorem. Okay, what does it says? A plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. Okay, this whole bar is divided into the two variables and plus is converted to dot. Okay, so this becomes y equal to a bar dot b bar plus c bar. Okay, and then we have this whole bar here again. Okay, now this a bar dot b bar is my one term. Okay, so I can consider this as x, right? So consider x equal to a bar b bar. So what can I write then? Y equal to x plus c bar whole bar. Okay, I have just replaced this for simplicity purpose, right? So again, De Morgan's theorem, this becomes x bar dot c bar double bar, because c already has the bar. Now this bar is divided into these two variables and this plus is converted to x, this dot. Okay, so my equation becomes y equal to x bar dot c, because using double inversion, this is double inversion, minus minus becomes plus. Okay, now what is the value of x? This is equal to a bar dot b bar whole bar dot c. Okay, now again De Morgan's theorem, right? So this is a bar. Now this is getting divided into these two terms, right? A bar, this dot will be plus, and this is b bar dot c, right? So now this equation it should turn out as a plus b c. Okay, so here you can see I have simply used De Morgan's theorem and double inversion law, and I have reduced this equation to this. Okay, now if I am to implement this, so I have this B and C, I'll require AND gate. This is ORed with A. So here I'll require OR gate. So this is B, C, and this is A. Okay. So Y equal to A plus BC. Okay. Going for the next this example, I have this equation y equal to a bar b plus a bar plus ab whole bar. This is the given equation. Now here what can be done? If you see, you can now here there are you can either go for De Morgan's theorem or common term. Okay, so let us go by this method, right? So taking common, y equal to, here if you see a bar is common, this becomes 1 plus b plus a b whole bar, right? Now according to ORing laws, 1 plus b is 1, so this becomes a bar plus ab whole bar, right? Now we have one more law here, that a bar plus ab is equal to a plus b, right? So this becomes, I'll write, since a bar plus ab equal to a plus b, my y is a plus b whole bar. Okay, this we have seen in other important laws. Okay, and now using De Morgan's theorem, is y equal to a bar dot b bar. Are you getting this? Okay, again if I am to implement, if the question is extended to reduce this equation and implement using gates, so I can draw here. This is AND gate, this is a bar, this is b bar, so this is a, b, and this is y. Right? I hope this is clear for you. Yeah, so one correction you can make here, that is what I was thinking. And this is a bar plus ab is a bar plus b, not a plus b, right? So this turns out to be, I'll just draw here, a bar plus b whole bar, right? So this becomes this y equal to a b bar. Okay, so this is AND gate. So just make this correction, right? So this is actually what happens when we are trying to simplify using Boolean laws. So this is the nature of these Boolean laws. Okay, we'll understand this when we are studying the K-map, because these Boolean algebras do have some limitations. So this is what I came across, one of the limitation, right? But if in the exam it is asked to simplify using Boolean laws, then you need to solve by this method. Okay, so going for next, y equal to ab whole bar plus a plus b whole bar in one bracket multiplied by a b bar, and it is given that reduce and also implement using basic gates, right? So I'll just rewrite the given equation, a b whole bar plus a plus b whole bar in bracket a b bar. Okay, so first I think we need to use De Morgan's theorem. So this becomes a bar plus b bar. Now this plus as it is a bar dot b bar, and this is as it is. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 terms, right? So this is 1, 2, 3 terms that is to be multiplied with the outer term, right? So this becomes, so y equal to a bar into a b bar plus b bar, or I can write b bar a b bar into b bar plus a bar b bar a into b bar. Okay, now here according to ORing laws, ending laws, according to ending laws, right, a into a bar is 0. Okay, so y equal to 0 plus a b bar plus, now you can see here a into a bar, this is 0. Okay, so finally what we have, a b bar. Okay, and it is asked to implement using basic gates. Now here one AND gate and one OR gate is required, right? So I can draw now. I can draw in different manners. In different books you will find different ways of drawing this equation, right? Up till now we have seen this type of method. Now here I can have different methods. So I'll see how many input I have, I'll draw that many lines. So I have this A, right, and I have this B. Now if you see in the equation we have B bar, right? So this B, and if I simply apply this NOT gate, right, so this is B and this is B bar. Okay, so I have this A, so I'll take one input from this A and another input is B bar, so I'll take from this B bar. And which gate is used here? AND gate, right? So this is Y, right? So here you have to either dark this or simply use this cross sign. So just so as to understand that we have picked this input line. Okay, so this is one way of drawing this, or simply you can draw in this way also. Earlier ways we have seen. AND gate, so this is AND gate, we have A and we have B bar. So this is A, this is B, and this is Y. Okay,